In today's video, we're going to show you how to change the language in Gemini AI. Whether you need to switch to a different language for better usability or just prefer a different language setting, we've got you covered, so let's dive right in. First, open Gemini AI website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now navigate to the settings menu. Here you can find language option if you are on the premium account. Here in settings menu, you can find option labeled language or language preferences. This is where you can manage your language settings. Now tap or click on the language option. You'll see a list of available languages. Browse through the list and select your preferred language. The change should take effect immediately or after a brief reload. If prompted, to confirm your language choice and save the changes. If you can't find the language settings in the main settings menu, check if there's a specific section for account settings or preferences. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in Gemini AI. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.